Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. If you love tea time biscuits and are looking for a healthier homemade option, you're gonna love these pistachio biscuits. Made with oats, pistachios and a touch of cardamom, these biscuits are crisp on the outside and soft and buttery on the inside. And they come together with just a handful of simple ingredients. So if you're new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. Into a blender, add 1/4 cup pistachios, 1 cup oats, 2 tablespoons jaggery powder or any sweetener you like, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, and some cardamom seeds. Blend until you have a fine powder. Transfer this mixture to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of softened butter or ghee, and using your hand, mix it really well. Then add 1 tablespoon of water and bring it together into a soft dough. Place the dough on a large sheet of parchment paper. Cover it and roll it into a thick square. Sprinkle chopped pistachios on top. Unroll once more so they stick to the dough. Using a knife, smooth the edges. And cut it into equal sized squares. Transfer the parchment paper to a baking tray and gently separate the biscuits with a knife so they don't stick together. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely. And these crisp and buttery pistachio biscuits are ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want to try some homemade pistachio biscuits for your tea time, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.